How you doing today, you guys? I'm just gonna run to the store real quick. But guess what? We're gonna ride our Qronge X1 Spank, and it's the L edition. So that's what we're gonna be riding today. The throttle went pretty well. Pretty darn good, I ain't gonna lie. Alright. Alright. Yeah, man, it's snappy. She doesn't even care. Doesn't even care. First police encounter and he just passed through and he just doesn't even care. I like that. More police need to be like that. Yeah, this area is 20 miles, so I just go 20 anyway, so it's whatever. As long as you don't ride like a maniac, you shouldn't have a problem. I think we're in the right street. Fenders. Oh, what a fire truck on here. Hey, that's how snappy this is. I might as well be careful. Okay. On the store we go. Let's see what I find around here.
Please, Deli, Qronge X1.
That's what we're looking for. Okay, what's the other? Buffalo Ranch. Oh, that's an interesting thing. 2 for $8. Select flavor of the real 2 for $8. Late night lower taco. Buffalo Ranch. Ah, give this a try. Just for curiosity. And oops. Bluebell ice cream. What are we gonna get this time? My cake taste. Okay, we got the lava cake. I want to get this one over here. Maybe I might just go like Aldi's or something. I don't think I want to get ice cream from here. $5.99. $5.99 for rally fries. I guess I'll just get another one for the hell of it. In case we run out of it. Oh, just need a workout. Thank you. You take care.
You too. Have a good day.
Two thanks. Yep, it's a Qronge X1 Spark.
It's electric, huh?
Oh yeah, all electric.
Yeah, it's like it's got the dirt ties and all that.
Pretty much. I could take it like off-road or go like...
It looks like a little dirt bike.
Yep, pretty much. But it's all electric. That's the good old days, but all electric. Thanks. Thank you, sir. Take care. Alright. Well, fellow gentlemen, we're ready to go. Okay. I'm curious. I wonder how much the gas is. I wonder how much the gas is. 339? Still high to me. Okay. Yep, they pretty much blocked up everything around here. I'm doing 20, as I said. I'm not going to go mow on this one because so far everything around this neighborhood is 20 miles, so I might as well just take advantage of it. Oh, somebody called on. Actually, I think we'll go up to Where we arrived here, you guys. Oh, we arrived safe and sound.